Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Following the press release of Hnlc on the 8th of February 2022 and subsequently the statement of Honorable Chief Minister that the official communication could be sent to the government, and the same was sent to the government on the 10th of Feb 2022. After getting the official communication from the Hnlc regarding the talk with the government, so we from the government of Meghalaya, we have taken up the matter with the central government for to take this matter forward. So the first day, the government of India have given the green signal for the government to initiate the process, where Peter S. Khar, IAS retired, will be the government interlocutor with the Hnlc. He will be assisted represented from the central government by Shri A.K. Mishra, IPS retired, who is advisor Northeast and Ministry of Home Affairs. So the matter will be taken forward. So having given green signal by the government of India, as I said before, I hope that this talk process will start between the Hnlc and this Peter S. Khar, who is the representative of the government of Meghalaya. So this is the only thing I want to brief.
No illegal activities on the part of the Hnlc while the peace talk.
We have the plan of action or the plan of what is to be done to do all those things. Having said that, I don't expect that the illegal activities of Hnlc or whatever may be, as you said, will be there, because let us give talk a chance. Let us give this peace process a chance, and I'm fully confident that with the cooperation of the people, with the wish of the people, and the government and the Hnlc will reach the solution to this long pending issue which affect the state and both the economically and also the psychologically.
With the government's decision to appoint an interlocutor, so can we expect a ceasefire with the Hnlc?
That I cannot say right now. As I said, this is the first process. Let the process start, because from Hnlc they request the government to appoint the interlocutor, and we from the government also we have informed the central government, and central government have given the green signal whereby for PS Khar as the representative of the government of Meghalaya to be the man whom they will communicate, and after communication all necessary things we will come to.
What is the actual strength of the Hnlc in Bangladesh right
It
now?
is not a question of strength, it's a question of purpose. Let us, purpose is that how to settle this issue once and also that the peace and tranquility in the state of Meghalaya will be. So my purpose is that it's not to go into any strength or the number of as of now. As I said, the most important thing is that let us give this process a chance, and peace and tranquility will be there in the state, in our region. Let us not go into any detail of how, what, let us give this person, let us give this process a chance. If we speculate much, so many questions will arise. But having said that, we have a full faith with his experience in the administration, experience in the society. Now, I hope that thing will move forward. Through this statement of mine and through our own source, we will do the necessary things. So I hope that this process, this process will start soon, in the interest of the people of the state, in the interest of peace and tranquility in the state, in the interest of the development of the state and the region as a whole. The matter is that will be taken forward. We hope that through the wisdom of the Hnlc and the wisdom of Pak Bidadkar, who will represent from the government, we will able to resolve this issue once for all. I don't want to go into that detail. I'm very happy that at least the process has started. As of now, I don't want to deliberate more on any other thing. So that is the only thing I want to say right now. After the first interaction, then we will know.